Hey guys, it's Heidi. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my hair care routine. Basically, I've been getting tons of questions, especially on Instagram, regarding which hair products I use, how often I use them, and if I have any special tips or anything like that. And I actually do take quite a bit of care of my hair, and I have to say that considering everything I put my hair through every single month, coloring and highlighting it, I think it's in a very decent condition. So I think there's going to be some value in me walking you through the steps of what I do. If you're new around here, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I guess tip number one would be I don't overwash my hair. I do take a shower every single day, but I don't wash my hair every single day. So I basically wear a shower cap on the days that I'm not gonna wash my hair. So even though freshly washed hair feels amazing, I find that my hair has benefited a lot from not washing it every single day. It just doesn't feel as dry as when I used to. I try to wash it every other day. If I work out or if it's really hot outside and I sweat, then of course for hygienic reasons I wash my hair. Now let's discuss the products that I use and specifically the order and frequency in which I use them. So first of all, I have to say I never buy conditioner. It's very rare I will buy conditioner. I just skip it all together and go directly with a hair mask. I just feel that I need to take that extra care because of the fact that I chemically process my hair every single month. This is the Dove Intensive Repair Deep Treatment Mask. I absolutely swear by this mask. It's done great things for my hair. And here's exactly how I use this mask. This may sound a little weird for some of you. Before I even shampoo my hair, I apply this hair mask from cheekbones down, and I just leave it there for like 3 minutes, which is the indicated time. And once those 3 minutes are over, I go ahead and put on shampoo without rinsing my ends. So basically what I do is I apply shampoo on my roots, massage my scalp area, and then when I rinse, I'm gonna be rinsing off both the shampoo and the hair treatment mask. By applying shampoo directly on the roots, but still having the mask on, it's like that shampoo is getting gentler as it goes down to your ends. I really don't know why I'm not picky at all about shampoo. It has never proven to make a difference in my routine. Does that happen to you too? At my place, it's just me and my husband, so I just find it more practical to share the shampoo with him. And over the years, I noticed that we just stuck to the Head and Shoulders. It seems to be working for both of us. It basically has kind of dandruff control. I know, gross, right? But it happens and it's good to have it under control, and it also prevents breakage. But once a month, I will use the L'Oreal Silver shampoo to control any brassiness, especially on my roots. It's basically a blue shampoo and it gives a nice ashy tone, so I just basically apply it to my roots, just let it sit there for about a minute, and then I just very quickly rinse it off. What I'm looking for is to neutralize any severe brassiness. If it gets too gray, then it's just not that flattering on me. So if you guys also bleach your hair and it tends to go on the brassier side, then keep the L'Oreal Silver shampoo in mind. So typically day 2 hair is not that bad, but I will have a little bit of oiliness on my roots and my ends will begin to feel a little bit more dry. I usually turn to my favorite dry shampoo, which is Chlorine. If you want to see my video where I demo and review this in more depth, I will leave the link in the description box below. But I basically apply this to my roots, brush it off, and then on my ends, I apply the Elvive Extraordinary Oil. This is truly an extraordinary product. It's so nourishing and hydrating, and it leaves your hair looking so shiny, and yet it is very light and it kind of absorbs really fast. Your hair doesn't feel sticky or heavy. I don't know, it's just perfect. And then regarding kind of more special treatments, Lately I've been going for Olaplex number 3. This is the take-home version of Olaplex. I did a first impressions review on this product as well, and I will link it down below. I promised you guys I would do an updated review after a month, and it's actually been, I think, 2 months. I'm almost done with the whole bottle. I definitely feel it is worth it and that it protects your hair unlike any other treatment I've experienced before. That said, I remember my ends were super fried and there was severe breakage, so my ends looked very uneven, and of course there's absolutely nothing you can do with that. You cannot make them like grow back again, so I did have in the end to kind of give a little bit of a trim to my ends, but my hair is so healthy and much longer, and I definitely feel that this product has a lot to do with that. I am very excited to try Olaplex number 2. In fact, I've been in touch with Olaplex Argentina, and they very kindly offered me to go with an expert of their team, a technician that would actually walk me through Olaplex number 2 and even apply it on my hair. So I had that in the back of my mind. So I'm probably gonna make that video. I'm still kind of trying to schedule some time for that. It would make a great experience for me, for my hair, and definitely a very interesting video. So if you guys agree, let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see that. So I know you guys are gonna say that my hair is super high maintenance. I absolutely 100% agree with you guys. I do invest a lot of time and money into my hair, and I'm going to tell you, besides the Olaplex number 3, 2 other treatments that I do every single week. One is a keratin lotion. I use this once a week on those days in which I do not apply Olaplex. This is basically a lotion containing high concentrations of keratin. It's really good for kind of restructuring your hair as well as giving it a very special softness. This one is from the brand Bellissima. I'm pretty sure you cannot get it abroad, but I will make sure to link in the product list in the description box an alternative to this one that you may be able to get a hold of if you live in the US. Right after shampooing my hair, I just apply it over my towel dried hair. I leave it on for like 5 minutes, then I blow dry and straighten my hair. When you apply this, you're not only free to blow dry and straighten, but you must. It's like you need that heat in order for the product to activate and actually do something for your hair. And then also once a week, I use this Dove 60-second intensive repair shots. You basically get these, let me show you how they are, little tubes which have very high concentration of keratin as well. The good thing about this treatment is that unlike the Olaplex or the little keratin lotion, it only takes 60 seconds, and I can do it in the shower and then just rinse it off, and my hair is ready to either air dry or style as always. So they're super practical. I am in love with this Keratine Shots by Dove. I'd say from the drugstore, the Elvive Extraordinary Oil and the Dove shots are kind of my absolute must-haves. I am simply a slave to these products because they actually work. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of my hair care routine and that these products work as well for you guys as they do for me. If you liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up because that helps others discover it as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!